Hi there, today we're going to be going over the rescue profile basics in your doghouse. But the first thing we have to do is get to the doghouse. So when you log into the back end of Buzz, the first thing you're going to do is hover over Howdy and your name and click on Doghouse. The next tab that's going to open is your actual doghouse. You're going to see that we're under the org customization, the profile, and then the first tab, which is rescue profile basics. Another thing I want you to note is that you have update options up here, so if we change anything, we're going to need to update it. You'll also note that the support video is here as well to help you through this. First, we're going to go over the rescue profile. So we have our rescue group name and our rescue tagline, which we're going to show on the website. We also have what type of rescue we are. Are we dog, cat, or are we dog and cat? The next area is going to be the phone and email. You have your main phone number, and you also have an area for your surrender line. If you have a surrender line and you want it shown on the website, all you have to do is mark yes. And if you want your main phone number shown on the website, you just mark yes or no. Then we have our rescue group main email. You will see a question mark right next to it, and if you hover over it, it's going to tell you that the email address will be used for all forms that do not have a specific from or reply to address set. And we'll actually be going over this in one of our other videos called notification emails. Down below, we've given you the ability to choose which country you want on your site. So for us, we left the United States open and hid the other countries. You'll also see the states. So one of the cool things about this is if I live in the state of Washington, I can click and hold on the arrows and drag and drop anywhere in my state list. I'm going to move Washington to the top because I live in Washington and I want it to be the first state that I select without having to scroll. At this point, I'll be able to click save and it will save my changes. I can also choose my date format. Do I do month, day, year, or do I do day, month, year? I can also add what I use for my weight, if I'm in kilograms or pounds. And down below we have the addresses. You have your physical address and your mailing address. Down below you're going to see onboarding links. This is where you'll be linked to your data spreadsheet, your application customization spreadsheet, and after you launch, your slideshow link and your feed graphic link will be housed here for your reference to be able to change them whenever you want. Now that we've made it to the bottom of our page, we can update options and save all of our changes and move on to our next tab. Our next tab is going to be going over the socials, and I'll see you on that tab.